Hello everybody, this is Dale Pinkert with ForexStopHunters.com. Want to welcome everybody for their effort to become a more effective trader and doing your research. Appreciate that you include me in your intelligence gathering. Want to remind everyone hearing my voice that only risk capital should be used when trading high-risk markets such as FX, futures, options, or other derivatives, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Followers that have been paying attention to my work know that going into New Year's I was talking about the potential for Cable USD to rally up to the 159-160 level. I saw that as a potential failing rally and also the potential beginnings of a right shoulder of a massive head and shoulders top formation. Here's your left shoulder, your neckline, your head. You're pulled back down to support, which is the neckline. And then the rally up to that forecasted level of 159-160. The actual high this week was 160.58. So there's pretty good symmetry here as we held this low by 50 pips here. We also took out this high by about 50 pips. In fact, we're only about 40 pips higher on the week after being 200 pips higher on the week. So a very good rebuff from this area. I do believe that Cable in my writings has relinquished the leadership role. Today, if you notice how much better Euro USD held up compared to Cable USD. In my writings I talked about that I felt that GBP USD would become the favorite target of bear raids over Euro USD, which was last year. And today's message was pretty loud and clear. Look at the difference in performance against the dollar, and Cable was much weaker against the dollar than Euro was as we approach this inflection point, which was also talked about for the Dixie due to the lunar cycle that took place on Tuesday, Wednesday. So now I believe that we could use any continued dollar weakness if Dixie has not bottomed here yet at the 78.50 level, and any additional remaining strength in the Euro USD to begin to initiate short positions in this pair, knowing we're wrong over the high of the move for money management. Call it 161 to give it a bit tolerance. Now, I was waiting for the momentum to wane against Euro, which happened today, and I want to go to a little shorter time frame to show you what developed. I just want to show you the correlation work that I do. Consider this decline we had in Cable USD compared to the decline we had in Euro USD, and to me it looks like the potential for one more new high exists in Euro USD, whereas Cable, which has been leading the way, gave way in a very dramatic way, and I believe that it's going to be very difficult for Cable to take out the recent highs that we had here. Let's keep our eye on the big picture. The big picture is a potential right shoulder of a weekly head and shoulders top formation. The neckline being under these lows, straight line across these lows. A breakdown under 153.45 makes it an 800 pip formation with an ultimate target down towards 145. There, because the public has been more positive on Cable over Euro, I believe there's many stop hunts on the way down, that this was just the beginning of it, that there are many stop hunts all the way down, with the major one being down here at the 153 level. We may make one more attempt, possibly even double top if the dollar weakness continues, but it's my view that this was a very rigorous test of this thesis. We're already sitting here 150 points off the high of the week, barely higher on the week. So I wanted my followers and readers to be alerted to what was a forecast is now manifesting on our screen, and this could be the beginning of a very big decline in Cable that could take us down to the 145 level. This is Dale Pinkert with ForexStopHunters.com signing out.